All right, so today I'm gonna be restoring my headlights. A lot of different options here for the lights. Get the yellowing out, different applications, different methods. But yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. This one seems pretty good. It's got the thing that you can attach your drill bit with the sandpaper and all that, and then some kind of like different buffing attachments, some kind of creams or whatever. But yeah, hopefully it works. They are pretty bad. This one especially, let me get nice and close. This one's really rough. Like, look at that. Super cloudy, super yellow, and yeah, just doesn't look good. This one is not as bad. I mean, it's pretty grim down here. The top isn't so bad, but yeah. So anyways, I got a little kit, so we're gonna get going on that. All right, so I got the headlights all taped off here. I just used little bits because it's round or whatever, right? So I just had to here, close up, you can see just tiny little squares that kind of go all around. To get between the light and the silver bit, I just used this zip tie and just kind of pushed it in there, kind of like that, after I went all around. So yeah, now I'm gonna get to this ending. I'm losing light in a hurry, but this is just after the first pass with the 2000 grit. It's already looking pretty clear. All right, check it out. Here's the next level with the sandpaper. It's actually looking a lot better. I'm gonna get on the other one now. It got pretty dark, so I had to bust out the light here. But got the moment of truth here. Let's get this one. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's awesome. So much better. Look at that. Wow. It's like a brand new light. All right, well, there you have it. There's the finished product. The lights are done. I gotta say, they look pretty wicked. I'm super happy with how they turned out. Like, compared to what they were before, it's night and day. It's insane. I'm super duper happy with that.